Friends, my name is Mukesh Maitanna. As we have seen the 4 points, last point we have left up the old kind of school on new page number 168. He gave them test as well as homework. Margie wanted to know more about those kind of funny school. Margie, as you know, wanted to know those kind of schools, but it was time for her to go to her school. She thought about that old school as well as homework, but it was time for her to go to the school. It was time for Tommy to for his school, and both of them decided to read the book later. Later means after some time. As they were thinking these particular points, they thought that old school were good, but as you know, that was particular time for both of them to attend the school. That school also start with the exact the right time. So they thought that they read the book later after some time after attending their school. Now Margie's schoolroom. In future, what type of schoolroom? That description given here. Margie's schoolroom. Margie's schoolroom was next to her bedroom. That means in his house, small room was there near her bedroom. That was the school for Margie. Where the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for Margie. The mechanical teacher means computer was on the table and it was waiting for Margie. Her school was open every day except Saturday and Sunday. From Monday to Friday, she had to attend the school. Sunday and Saturday holiday. Margie's mother believed that girls learn better if they do it regularly. Margie's mother thought that children can learn better if they learn regularly. And correct reason is there. Regularly you learn, then you can learn it in better way. Otherwise it is not proper, or you cannot learn better way if you do not study regularly. Then that is why regularity must be there. Then you can learn it in proper way. The mechanical teacher, the screen lit up and started, was going to teach lesson on arithmetic. Arithmetic, as you know, particular part of maths. That is why telling arithmetic subject. The teacher lit means light coming on screen, and lesson on arithmetic start. It was about the addition of proper fractions. Particular point, addition, plus sums there. Margie had no interest in it. Margie had no interest in it. Margie had to put yesterday's homework in the proper slot too. And mechanical teacher giving homework and asking for the homework also. First you put your homework in that particular slot box. Then your next particular teaching start by the mechanical teacher computer. So it first asked about the homework. The mechanical teacher never forget to ask for the homework. See. Mechanical teacher never forget to ask. Real teacher sometimes forget. Mechanical teacher never forget. When it lit up, first asking about the yesterday's homework. When you put this homework in the slot in particular place, giving in computer, then your further study will start. So first, this particular teacher, mechanical teacher, asking for homework. Never forget. That is why telling. Now, Margie being nostalgic. Margie was sitting in front of her mechanical teacher, but she was thinking of the good old days when the kids had a common time and place to study. She was also thinking of the human teacher that used to teach them. She was thinking of the fun they had at school. Margie's mind diverted and she could not pay attention in their study because she was lost about the school of past old days, and she was thinking of human teacher that used to teach them. She was thinking of the fun they had at the school. That means she was not paying attention what mechanical teacher said or mechanical teacher teach. She was lost in the school about past, and that is why she became nostalgic for that reason that she didn't like, and that is why she thought like this that the past school was better than the school of future. She thought, and she thought about the particular fun they had. Now chapter highlights. See, in her diary, Margie wrote about Tommy finding a new book on the school of the old days. Margie wrote in her diary the particular Tommy finding a new book on the school of the old days of the past. Second point, the old kinds of paper books used to have pages unlike the e-books. Second point, the old kind of paper books used to have pages unlike the e-books. E-books, that type of paper not there as you know. In this particular book, real pages there, real words printed on the book. Anytime you see that book, same words you find. That is why she thought about the past. Third, Tommy and Margie considered such books to be nothing more than a waste. They thinking that that type of wasting of page old book, as you know, reading or studying, they have to throw out. There is no meaning of it. It is nothing else but wasting of the pages. So they both thought like this. Or they were worthless after the first reading. One time you read, one time you study, they were useless. Then what to do with it? By keeping it nothing. And that is why he firmly believed that that type of work or that type of book is nothing else but wasting of time. Next, Margie hated her mechanical teacher a lot because he was giving her test after test and she was not doing well. Why she hated her mechanical teacher a lot? Because mechanical teacher was giving her test after test and she was not doing well, getting less marks. That is why she hated mechanical teacher too much or very much. Or that is the reason. When you are liking subject there, when you have interest in this particular field, then you can do it. But you have no interest, then it is difficult for this particular point or this particular matter to study. Next point, number 5. Point number 5. The county inspector came to repair the mechanical teacher of Margi so that its level could match the level of Margi. As we have seen that she was not doing well in geography because these particular computers working little bit higher than her age, and that is why she could not show the best performance in geography. So her mother called county inspector to repair this particular mechanical teacher, means computer, as it works faster, speedily, and that is why Margie's age less and she was facing this type of trouble or this type of difficulty. Point number 6, Margie was disappointed when the mechanical teacher was not taken away by the county inspector completely. Margie was disappointed because she thought that county inspector, means the repairer of the computer, will take this teacher computer to his house. Then naturally it take time 1 or 2 weeks for repairing. During this time she can enjoy. But when county inspector came, saw the computer and telling that no need of worry, no need of taking tension, telling to her mother that this particular geography teacher speedily working in comparison with the age of Margie, and that is why she repaired there and there. She didn't take this particular teacher to his house. That is why Margie was disappointed because she thought and not it happened according to her thinking. She thought that teacher, the inspector will take her teacher to his house, but county inspector repaired there and there within an hour, and that is why Margie didn't like. She was lost in the school of past, as we have seen, and when this particular geography section running somehow fast according in comparison with our age, and inspector repaired it there and there, not taking the mechanical teacher in his house, that is why Margie didn't like this and she was disappointed. Tommy and Margie both discussed the old school and the teacher that were human beings. Then they talked about the school that real teacher were there in the school of past, and they thought like this, that this particular point, this particular in future school, not real teachers but mechanical teacher there, and that is why they have that type of thinking, that they have to face this type of difficulty in their particular work. They thought about this. Tommy and Margie went to their school to attend their lectures. The mechanical teacher fleshed out their school time every day except Saturday and Sunday. When they went to attend their particular school, that school will run from Monday to Friday, and on Saturday and Sunday holiday is there. So both were waiting for these 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, because holiday is there. From Monday to Friday, they had to attend this particular school. They had to sit in front of the mechanical teacher, computer mechanical device. They could not enjoy, they could not laugh, and they, according to them, did not have any fun. That is why they don't like the future school, they like past school, for that reason that they had to face that type of difficulty in attending future school, not any type of enjoyment, not real teacher, human beings sit in front of the mechanical device, computer, and had to attend this. It is not good for them. That is why they thought, they find this, that they had to face this type of difficulties, and so they didn't like future school, they didn't like the teaching given by the mechanical device, and they could not have that type of fun. They had to attend the school at the right time from Monday to Friday, Saturday and Sunday holiday. Yet they hated this mechanical teacher for that reason, that they could not come out. School is also there in his house and have to live in their house. Then where they go for their enjoyment? Have to study there and mechanical device, not telling jokes, not make students laugh, only teaching. Naturally, students think that they continuously do the same activity, finding it boring. Want some change, that change they can't get by mechanical teacher, and that is why they think like this, that they must have to face this particular difficulties, have to remain at home in front of the parents, and that is why they find it boring. They think that they cannot enjoy this type of enjoyment, so they think, they observe, they do this, and they had to face that type of difficulties. Point number 9, on right side, Margie with a heavy heart had to put the homework in the proper slot which she had had. With a heavy heart, she had to put homework. That is why she hated this particular part, slot, in which she had to put homework. She didn't like. She did not have that type of interest. That is why she hated homework, and particularly when they start their mechanical teacher, naturally the mechanical teacher asked first about the homework. She had to put this homework in the particular proper slot, and then the next particular point mechanical teacher will teach. So she hated it, learning, and every day have to provide first homework in their slot. then it is possible that mechanical device teacher working further. She didn't like this. A mechanical teacher, as you know, cannot understand any problems. Real teacher is there and any students have any problem, then naturally student tells that real teacher can understand it, feelings, forgive. But mechanical teacher, as you know, not real teacher, no heart, no feelings. It cannot understand in any argument, any particular reason. That is why she hated higher. It demanding for homework. And when students giving homework put in slot, then it teaches further. Not understand in any type of reason. Sometimes, as you know, students also have to problem and unable to do the homework. But mechanical teacher cannot understand students' feeling, problems, difficulties, and that is why this particular girl, Margie, hated this particular homework for that reason. That mechanical teacher who has no heart, no feeling, no kindness cannot understand the particular problem which has to be faced by the students. That is why Margie hated it higher for that reason. Even being in the classroom, she was thinking of the old kind of school with the kids and the human teachers. Even being in the classroom, she was thinking of the old school with the kids and the human teachers. She attended that particular lecture, but she continuously think about this particular point. She was lost about the school of the past, how the kids enjoy, and she thought about the human teacher, real teacher. That is why she do not remember what the mechanical teacher teaching. One time, as you know, when you are not paying attention and you just lost in your own thinking, then what is going on in the class, what the teacher is teaching you cannot understand. So not only physically, but students pay attention mentally, and it is possible. By physically sitting, nothing happens. That is why clever student we find in the class and over also, even though teacher teaching same thing to all. Why not getting same marks? All students not getting same marks? Depends on its attention. If paying attention, then learn, but not paying attention, then doing different activity, then not paying attention, not listening what teacher is telling, not paying attention on the board what teacher is writing, explaining, busy in other activity, mentally out of class, then cannot understand. And that is why same thing happened here for Margie. She was lost in the particular work past school, and that is why she is unable to pay attention. The real thing is that. So she could not understand what the mechanical teacher teaches. The mechanical teacher was on, but Margie was engrossed in thinking of the fun they had in old days. The mechanical teacher was on, tried to teach, but Margie was busy in thinking of the fun they had in the past, and that is why she could not pay attention what the mechanical teacher is teaching. That is what we have seen particular chapter highlights from point number 1 to 11 that we should keep in mind. Now in today's homework, this particular point which I have explained, and chapter highlights point number 1 to 11, you will have to write, you will have to write it one time, that we must need it. Again, point number 9 to 11, Margie with a heavy heart had to put the homework in the proper slot which she hated. Point number 9, which she hated. And point number 10, even being in the classroom, she was thinking of the school, about the past and the kids they enjoyed, and the human teacher, real teacher teaching. She was lost in that type of thinking. And point number 11 last, the mechanical teacher was on, but Margie was engrossed in the thinking of the fun they had in the old days, old school. Clear? So we have seen these particular points as well as the highlights, chapter highlight, point number 1 to 11, that you will have to read and have to write one time. In next lecture, we will see the question answer. Okay? Bye. See you. Thank you.